Alright, we're back with a new angle. First of all, thank you all so much for checking out my other video, Hi Ren. That thing was insane, and I really didn't do it justice. And as a lot of people pointed out, the sound was completely off, which, to be honest, I just didn't think anybody would actually watch it. So when I uploaded it and realised it was shit, I didn't really think to fix it. But there's been so many people in there, all massive Ren fans, and I can see why after one watch. Ren, you've got an awesome fan base, and they've led me to Sick Boy. Apparently everyone reckons I should check this one out. So I've heard all your comments about the sound. Hopefully now you can hear your boy Ren. So let's check it out. Okay, I hit stop on the recording, not play on the video. Let's go.
Hi, Ren.
Jesus. That breathing, I'm not sure if he's getting himself amped up for something or whether he's like letting out rage. But either way, it's getting me amped up. I can already tell there's so much more production behind this video as well. Not just him on a guitar, so this is pretty cool. Got the strings in the back and stuff. Not sure about this angle. Have to lean down too much, but we're working on things.
Hi, Ren. Thank you for coming in today.
Thanks for seeing me.
Looking at your file here, it seems there's a very apparent interplay with your emotional state and your physical body. Have you ever heard of the trauma response?
I don't think so.
Basically, our bodies can get stuck in a negative feedback loop. Our subconscious can repeat patterns from the past, which can have a pretty drastic downstream effect on our biology. Essentially, your mind is making music.
Oh shit. It's amazing that he can have this sort of spoken words in the songs that just keep you so captivated. Like he's always telling a story in all of his songs. Well, this is the second one that I've heard, but it's completely different, right? You've got all the strings in the background. You've got this killer beat, which is super cool. And then I think I just heard some sort of like choir in the background, like like almost children. It's almost a little bit creepy, but I mean, look at the scene. It's all creepy. This guy's a creepy dude, and I love it. And his mind is making him sick. That's a tough one to deal with. All right, sorry.
Essentially, your mind is making music.
This pig guy, man.
Sick boy, bitten by a tick boy, looking for that fix boy, anabolic steroids, stem cell, poster boy, pass out, white noise, quick fix, snake oil, I'm about to break boy. Oh, what a shame, he's in pain, have another go, take another pill, here, take a couple more, let's see how you're doing in another week or so.
Dig it.
You'll be feeling
sort of
worse
modern
when the
medicine, I guess. Just throwing pills at you instead of trying to fix the problem. I read in the comments that he'd struggled for years with obviously Lyme disease and some other stuff. I presume he just kept going to doctors and kept getting thrown pills at. Here you go, here you go. This beat is so fucking sick though.
oil, I'm about to break boy. Oh, what a shame, he's in pain, have another go, take another pill, here, take a couple more, let's see how you're doing in another week or so. You'll be feeling worse when the side effects will show. Derealization, medical patient, losing patience with the process, walking hand in hand with Satan, complications with the medication, inflammation, dehydration, inhalation, aggravation, building up a toleration. Drown, soccer, drown, soccer, drown, soccer, drown. I've been feeling like I'm drowning with my feet upon the ground. I've been screaming, I've been shouting, but I never make a sound. I've been looking for a way out, but I always seem to drown.
Is this all making sense, Ren?
Yeah, I think so.
Good. What I propose we do is we try to pinpoint the exact experiences from the past that are keeping you
So
stuck.
the therapist.
What can you tell me about your childhood?
I can't really
pig
think.
as
It's
well.
okay if nothing comes up right away. What I'd like you to do is take some deep breaths with me. In and out. In and out. Good. Now tell me the first thing that comes to your mind.
It's incredible what he does with just the breathing, you know, the at the start, and the breaths and stuff coming in your left and your right, panning in and out. You know, it's really clever that he can incorporate that sort of stuff to just give his music even more feeling.
In and out. Good. Now tell me the first
Pick
thing that
is
comes to
fucking
your
creeping
mind.
me out.
I feel like it's not me, it's the world that's it. We're given everything we need and we commoditize it. We consume, we destroy like we're parasitic. Science tells us that it's suicide and still we commit. I'm not sick, we are standing on a cliff in the name of progress. We jump off the precipice. I'm not sick, I'm the virus, you're the virus, hypocrite. How can you sit there with that smile on and tell me that I'm sick? Sick boy.
What a line in there. Science tells us it's suicide and still we commit. You know, obviously having a dig at just the way the world runs, and maybe capitalism, maybe he's anti-capitalist, but he's just got this way with word. He's really good at telling a story through his lyrics. You know, I'm a massive Eminem fan, and one of the reasons is because he can make all of these rhyme schemes and put it all together so elegantly while also telling a story. And Ren is really good at that also. It makes me feel like I'm following along with the journey, you know?
Hypocrite. How can you sit there with that smile on and tell me that I'm sick? Sick boy, looking for a fix, boy. Push it down in public, quick pose for the pick, boy. Record label meetings that commodify your gift, boy. Why you so upset? Don't you wanna be a rich boy? Fuck no, industry is cutthroat. I've been doing bits by myself, swimming backstroke, walking on a tightrope, rapping with a slit throat. The way that we persist is like the ending of a bad joke. As the people evolve, we're complacent to assailants and we do what we're told. Counterintelligence, a sight to behold. Rape the earth of all resources and we bleed it for gold. And we bleed it for wealth, we bleed it for fame. But when you bleed it, can you tell me what the fuck will remain? And I bleed in myself, I bleed in my brain. While I'm bleeding, I'm the reason, cause I'm doing the same.
Okay, definitely anti-capitalist, anti-government as well. A couple of shots thrown there. I love that. Man, that's completely different to High Ren, yet it's in the same vein of telling a story. You know, I just love the way that he can just pinpoint all of this stuff through his lyrics. He's such a good lyricist, and I don't know if he produced the beat behind it, but that's a sick beat. I really enjoyed that, with the chorus behind it, the choir behind it. That was really, really cool. Wouldn't mind just hearing back
But I
from
never
here.
make a sound. I've been looking for a way out, but I always seem to drown.
Is this all making sense, Ren?
Yeah, I think so.
Good. What I propose we do is we try to pinpoint the exact experiences from the past that are keeping you stuck. What can you tell me about your
God, that's so
childhood?
creepy.
I can't really think.
It's okay if
Therapist.
nothing comes up right away. What I'd like you to do is take some deep breaths with me. In and out. In and out. Good. Now tell me the first thing that comes to your mind.
I feel like it's not me, it's the world that's it. We're given everything we need and we commoditize it. We consume, we destroy like we're parasitic. Science tells us that it's suicide and still we commit. I'm not sick, we are standing on a cliff in the name of progress. We jump off the precipice. I'm not sick, I'm the virus, you're the virus, hypocrite. How can you sit there with that smile on and tell me that I'm sick? Sick boy, looking for a fix, boy. Push it down in public, quick pose for the pick, boy. Record label meetings that commodify your gift, boy. Why you so upset? Don't you wanna be a rich boy? Fuck no, industry is cutthroat. I've been doing bits by myself, swimming backstroke, walking on a tightrope, rapping with a slit throat. The way that we persist is like the ending of a bad joke. As the people evolve, we're complacent to assailants and we do what we're told. Counterintelligence, a sight to behold. Rape the earth of all resources and we bleed it for gold. And we bleed it for wealth, we bleed it for fame. But when you bleed it, can you tell me what the fuck will remain? And I bleed in myself, I bleed in my brain. While I'm bleeding, I'm the reason, cause I'm doing the same.
once again, it's like a battle within him where he wants to release music about, all the things that go on in his life, but then by doing so, he sort of enters the game. This, I've actually seen so many comments from my last video that there's a series called Money Game. I wonder if that's got anything to do with this, but, by him releasing music and him getting views and him earning money from it, he is the problem that he is talking about in this, where it's all, commoditizing his gift. It's really clever. It wasn't until the second listen there where it sort of clicked that even in something as simple as him documenting his journey through music, but that makes money, that now makes him a hypocrite, that now puts him in the money game. Really clever. That's awesome. Well, we're 2 down now, and both have been absolute slappers. I really want to just listen to more and more of his stuff, but I feel like I should be doing reactions to it at this stage. I may as well. This is how I started, so I'm going to straight away listen to The Tales. I think everyone was talking about The Tales. And yeah, I just want to listen to more Ren. This is great. Cheers, everyone.